The time has come, people. Time to open this. I'm very excited. Very excited. I don't want to break my nails. Okay, let's have a look. Isn't it so pretty? Okay, what I'm going to do is take them all out, get them all open and show you all the colours, and then we're going to swatch them. I didn't show you them in order. First up we have number 3, which is Temperamental Gold. It's absolutely stunning. Next one we have is number 2, and it's Champagne. I like this because it's more of a gold champagne rather than a yellow champagne. Love them. The next one is number 6, Classic Black. It's just a classic holographic black. Number 4 is next, and that's Tiffany Pink. And this is gorgeous. I have a dip powder similar to this. I love it. Absolutely love it. Next up we have number 1, which is Oscar Skirt. It's a silver holographic. This is absolutely fabulous, darling. I can see me getting a lot of use with that one. And lastly we have Crystal Lake, which is number 5. It's an aqua kind of teal kind of colour. It's absolutely beautiful. The brush, I loosened all the glue and got that sorted. So the brush is ready to go. So let's start the swatches. love these. I've given them a wee buff, just to, I mean they lie pretty flat, they really do. But I've given them just a wee buff and gone over them with a rubber top coat. And I love them. I have no complaints about these gels whatsoever. The brush is a wee bit more awkward because when you're working with it, depending on your angle, you push it down. But if you can keep your fingers back and use it from here, like hold the brush here, you'll stop it from sliding down. It just means that maybe not as precise, but you don't really need to be precise because you're scooping it and then just like swirling it. So you don't really need to be precise. So I do love this wee brush. I think it would be great for travel. These would be great for travel, just tiny wee pots. I would recommend putting them in a bag though, just in case they were to leak. But I love them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a coat of black polish on all my nails, and I'm going to come back and put the black on one of my nails and just show you the finished result. So these gels are easy to work with. If you're putting them over a colour, you only need one coat. There's no bulk to them. They're absolutely fabulous. So that's it for this review. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!